Hazrat Adi bin Hatim radiyallahu anhu says that he asked the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam about the game that is hunted with the shaft of an arrow. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, if you have injured, killed it with the sharp edge of it, eat it. But if you have struck it with the shaft by the broadside and killed it, the game is ma'uquza, struck to death, so do not eat it. I then submitted, what about if I send my dog behind a game? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the game which a hound kept for you, eat that, for a dog's catching a game is parallel to slaughtering. If you find another day with your hound or hounds, and you fear that this dog has caught the game along with them and killed it, you must not eat it, for you have recited Bismillah only on your own dog and not on the other. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5475.